Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday, happy birthday. Happy birthday to you. Kids, one more time. Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday, happy birthday, happy birthday, Chico. Happy birthday, Chico. Happy birthday, Chico. Happy birthday, happy birthday, clap your hands. Chico. Yay. Okay, so now, let's have an interview. Okay, Chico is now 1 year old. Okay, so everybody, prepare your hands. Let's give Chico one big clap. Ready? One! Yay! And all together say, Happy birthday, Chico! Happy birthday, Chico! Yay! Thank you so much. Thank you so much to everybody who came here today and join and attend the party of Chico. Anything else, Mami, you wanna say? Thank you for coming and thank you for celebrating Chico's joining us celebrating Chico's first birthday. And a big clap for Chico and family. Thank you so much. Okay, so kids, get ready. We will have a game. Okay.
Okay, kids, get your chairs and put it here in the center.
Okay, kids. Bring your own chair in the middle and form a big circle.
Here, stand up.
Okay, let's have the first game.